guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another Witch's Moon unboxing. I have had a busy productive day. I've done so much. I haven't remembered to feed myself. It's almost 10 o'clock at night and I haven't remembered to do that yet, but I've gotten a lot of work done, so. But don't worry, I will feed myself after this video, but I'm on a roll. So today we're doing another Witch's Moon unboxing. I don't know if I'm going crazy, but I feel like I can smell coconut or something coming from this. It might not be coconut, but it smells like holiday. This box smells like holiday. Do you know what I mean? So I am intrigued. So let's whip it open. Oh, it's like a nice sort of like greeny bluey color. I'm feeling like this might have some sort of like, you know, exotic tropical kind of theme. I could be wrong. That's just what I'm feeling. But it smells like coconut. It's the color of the ocean. Do you see why I'm feeling this way? So, oh, we've got two pieces of, oh, okay, yeah, all right. It's all very oceany, guys. We've got two pieces of artwork. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, this is the first piece. Look how stunning this is. I love it. Let me put it sideways so the whole thing's kind of on the screen at once. Wow. Yamaya. Yamaya? Queen of the ocean, mother of the children of fishes. Ooh, okay, that's cool. And then the second one has more mermaids, and this says the magical shell. Now, the last time we got something like this, it was because it related to something that was in the box, so maybe that's what's going on here. I am excited to find out. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay. We have our little table of contents here, which we'll read at the end because I don't like to spoil my surprises. I like to see how much, like, every time I open a box, I've learned more. So it's like, maybe now I'll know more than the last time, and then anything I don't know, I read at the end. Oh, we also have our personalized oracle thing. Is it? Oh, maybe. Oh, okay. So on one side, it has a mermaid, and the other side says beauty, grace, loveliness, integrity, and form of spirit. And there's another very pretty mermaid, so that is gorgeous. Also on top we have a sigil of some sort. This one looks really cool. I love that. I love sigils. I'm still thinking maybe getting some sort of sigil tattoo at some point. I just don't know what yet. But I really love this. Look how pretty. I love how well presented these boxes always are. Like, it's all so, like, you know, the color themes and everything's laid out real nice. I love attention to detail. Shit. I love attention to detail like that. Okay, ooh, let's grab our salt first. Ooh, so this has like what looks like pictures of waves on it. No name or anything on the pot. Let's have a sniff. I'm not sick anymore, so I can smell things. Okay, so this is like a very fresh smell. It is like, if you ever got like a deodorant or an incense that had anything to do with the ocean, this is that kind of smell, but I wouldn't really know how to describe it. But it is like very fresh and like oceany and like, not to use the word again, but just, it is like refreshing, you know? So that's nice. I think the next time I feel like I need like a good refresh, I'm gonna use this in my bath. I might do that tonight actually. I'm feeling very just like, ugh, and I've been doing a lot of work, so I can maybe do with a nice relaxing bath with something like this. So, woohoo! Next up I see a herb. Oh, lemon balm! I love the smell of lemon balm. Let me have a little sniff. This smells kind of like tea, actually. I guess I'm used to smelling like lemon balm oil rather than like dried lemon balm. Oh, we have some chamomile right here. That is our lemon balm here, chamomile here, as you can see. And then we also have, oh, watercress, like this, the type you put in salad. It just smells like dried plant, as one might expect. Okay, we have our spell candle this month. Look how pretty this paper is. Oh, I hate ripping it. It upsets me. Oh, I don't have to rip it. Ha! Woo! But I did pop the spell right off of it. So I think this says Watchers of the Sea. Ooh, very nice. So that is our little spell on here. You can have a peek. Pretty sure it says Watchers of the Sea. I messed up what it said on the last candle so badly, but I think I've got it right this time. Sometimes the font throws me off. I'm losing my voice. I've been doing a lot of videos today, and then while I was making this, which takes a long time, I did an Instagram live, so I've been talking a lot, so I'm losing that voice. Ooh, here's our incense. Are you the source of the coconut smell? Yes, this is it. It does smell like coconut. If this isn't coconut, I am going to be so shocked. It smells so coconutty. I wonder what this will smell like burned. Oh, it smells like holiday. I know I'm just back from a holiday. I just got back from Barcelona, but I want to go on another holiday. I really want to go to like somewhere like really nice and warm and beautiful, like Bali. I would love to go to Bali. That is what I want right now. This box is not helping. This might just be a piece of, I think this is just bubble wrap to keep things together. Okay. Here is our oil. Oh, so this oil is Yamaya oil. I might be saying it wrong. Yamaya. It's, you know, the pretty blue mermaid that I showed you at the start. Oh, really, really nice. It definitely, like, it's hard to explain. It is like a very like aquatic, like watery smell, but also like maybe a bit floral. It's really nice. It's like a soft, nice, pleasant smell. I love that. I couldn't hazard a guess as to what's actually in here, but it smells really good. So we have what I'm assuming is our crystal this month, or stone. Ooh. Oh. So it's not what I was expecting. It's some sort of like white rock, if you can see that there. So yeah, I have no idea what this is. Couldn't even hazard a guess, but we'll find out at the end. So finally we have a big old box in here. Big, nice silvery box. I'm gonna guess that this is the magic shell that's mentioned. I'm sure if I read that whole page it would say whether or not, but let's have a look. Wow, that's cool. Check this out. Look how amazing. It's like a big cool shell with like this crystal coming out the top. That's so nice. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I love like, oh, the Witch's Moon just always blows me away. They always have such cool stuff. It really does sound like the ocean. Lovely. Okay, so let's see what everything was. What's in the oil? What's in the salt? What is that rock? This box is the Sacred Sea box. Okay, so first of all, we got the handcrafted shell wand with quartz point. Yes, oh my god, I love that. I love like sea witch, ocean witch type things. Both as in real, but also just like, you know, aesthetically as well. I've actually been wanting to do a like sea witch inspired DIY crafty like home decor video type thing, because I went to the beach with my mom and we came back with like a billion pieces of sea and ocean basically. So I've been trying to clean those recently and I will hopefully do that video eventually. But yes, this handcrafted shell wand has been a very exciting piece for the Witch's Moon to place inside of this collection. Having been created over the course of 12 months. Wow. This beautifully elegant wand was inspired by the true mystical power brought upon the shore as a sacred offering and gift from the divine. Wow, that's awesome. So there's loads of information about that. As always, this has a ton of info in it. If I sat here and read all of it, we'd be here all day. So I just read a couple of little pieces and then I can look over this later on my own, but just for the sake of the video, we don't want to be here for 1,000 years. Magical Shell, Book of Shadows artwork, yes. Created by very talented and intuitive local artist, Adrian Alden. Yamaya book of, or Yamaya? See, I'm saying Yamaya because my name's Kaya, spelt that way, but it might be Yamaya, I'm not sure. I would say Yamaya. We've also included, also by Adrian Alden, the powerful presence provides a leading role in the appreciation and sacredness of the sea. Sacred Sea Healing and Protection Sigil, yes. I want to go to the beach and just wander off into the waves and never be seen again. Watchers of the Sea Spell Candle, recommend placing a bowl of water, shells, or other ocean-inspired objects on your altar so that you may connect more directly with these energies. Wow. This candle has been anointed with lavender and rosemary oils. We've also included a mixture of our Yamaya and water magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Yamaya magical anointing oil. As a mother goddess, Yamaya is fiercely protective of all her children, the fortunate and the disenfranchised. She cares deeply for all people, providing comfort during times of intense sorrow or hardship. Oh, oil has been created with a full and vibrant heart. So this magical oil has avocado, lavender, and rosemary oils. Also included papaya, ground sage, and spearmint, and a Lemurian quartz. Wow, I wouldn't have guessed any of those smells actually. Water sacred salt, and it has avocado, lavender, rosemary, and sandalwood oils, as well as watercress and lemon balm herb, and a special mixture of our water magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Rough howlite, that's what this is. This is rough howlite. This is an attunement stone and provides the ability to connect more deeply with our visualizations. Sand dollar offering. Unless it's in this little piece of bubble wrap that I thought was empty. Oh, it is! God, it's just as well we have these because I would not have seen that. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cute. Don't think I've ever seen a sand dollar in real life before. Cool, okay. Gosh, put that somewhere safe. I'll put it in this box. Oh, okay. The sand dollar has been a representation of goodwill and peace in many cultures and religions. Realization incense. It doesn't say what it smells like, but I'm saying coconut. Chamomile herb, yep, and that is a purifying herb. Lemon balm, used by beekeepers in the Temple of Artemis to keep honeybees content. Oh, that's cute! I love it. Promote a sense of homeliness for the bees so that they'd stay within their hive and nurture relationships within their community. Oh, I love it! Watercress herb, a truly elemental herb. Watercress has been a sacred symbol of the Undines, bringing with it profound visions and enlightenment. Personalized oracle reading, yep, that is that little card that we got at the start, and it's from the Oracle of the Mermaids. And then finally parchment paper, which is always in the back. Yeah, okay, got everything. Wow, I loved this box so much. I love the sea, I love the ocean, I love the fact that it smells like holiday. The shell is amazing, the artwork is beautiful. I am very, very happy with this box. I'm feeling very like peaceful or something. I don't know if I'm just this because I'm happy with this or if it's the smell or what. I'm just feeling like happy, calm, content, having a good day. So thank you so much for watching. As always, please do leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite thing in the box was. If you want, that would be awesome. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so that I know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. We have lots of different videos for you to check out, so if you want to have a look, go see. And maybe you want to be part of this family, we would love to have you. Finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. It really supports this channel and helps me keep doing more videos, and it'll let me do more types of videos in the future so we can get some new fun stuff on the go. And I would just really appreciate it and love to see some more of you join that particular family. Oh, and that is me done for the night, I think. I am pretty tired, but I have had a good, busy, productive day, so I'm feeling good. I hope you are too. I am sending you good, positive vibes. Take some of my positive vibes, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!